Greetings to all Atomy members. Many of our leaders have started broadcasting their own videos. Likewise, I have started my own broadcast too, because Atomy is doing so well these days. Many people are asking me how I did it. Every time they ask, I tell them the following. I do the Atomy business by just showing my own skin. Today, I will tell you all that you'll need to know about taking care of your skin. Atomy has a line of products that is considered a treasure. It's the Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, which was awarded recently the Jang Young-sil Award. This award is only given to cosmetics that feature the best technology, and we are very proud of this achievement. The main technologies in these cosmetics are the wrinkle prevention and whitening effects, and the substances that provide such functions are all included in these products. However, the most important technology here is the delivery technology. I will show you how I use these products effectively every morning. I will reveal my face without glasses. I should take off my glasses in a cool way because I'm a cool president. Now, the first thing you should use after washing your face is the toner. Apply it generously in the palm of your hands. This is the Absolute Ampoule. This product is like a blue diamond found in a treasure trove. As you get older, your ears get wrinkles, and they really don't look very good. So when you're applying cosmetics, you should apply them this way, on your ears to keep their shape, and it's also very healthy for you. So apply it gently to your ears, the serum. This will help you smooth out the wrinkles in your forehead. This is the eye cream. You should apply it gently, all around your eyes, to prevent wrinkles in this area. Before the eye cream dries out, you should apply a little bit of BB cream, about this much. Just rub it in your hands like this, and apply it all over your face. It is possible that you will have some excess cream on your face, so this is a step that is really necessary. And after you take your morning shower, grab the towel that is still slightly wet and clean your hands with that towel. You really don't need to worry if you smear some BB cream on here, because the cream is just going to come out with the regular laundry when you wash the towel. After cleaning your hands thoroughly, you should use your clean hands to even out the excess cream. You will have an even tone if you do it this way. After spreading it for a while, the eye cream and the BB cream will mix well, and you will be left with an even spread on your face. You should apply some sunblock if you are planning on going outside. This is the Absolute Essence Sun. It's exactly the product that you need. For a natural look, you should use the palm of your hands to apply the cream evenly, like this. What I have shown you is my regular morning skincare routine. I recommend using this mist at least once a day during the dry season. People say that skincare is all about moisturizing. This is the best moisturizing cream mist. At night, I apply this nutrition cream to my face. After scooping up a generous amount, mix it in your palms and spread it evenly. Use the excess cream in your hands to apply some on your body and on your legs. The last thing you need to apply is the lotion. After pumping 2 to 3 times, apply a generous thick layer. We are creating a moisture barrier for your skin that will last all night. We are applying a generous amount on your skin so that we can provide the skin with all the moisture that it needs. This is how you use these products. I think that Atomy products give hope and show the radiance of life to many people. Our products not only lighten up your skin, but they also have a wonderful fragrance. Atomy Absolute Cosmetics are full of the scent of love. These products are the best. They are cosmetics that are full of love. We have launched a new product that is one of my favorites. Atomy Absolute Urban Shield Sun Cushion. As expected, Atomy is just great at making my skin both lighter and brighter. Although I'm in my mid-60s now, even if I compare my current skin with the skin I had in my 30s, there's not really much difference.